Hey guys, welcome to Token Red Fox. Today I'm gonna show you gluten-free gingerbreads. Let's get to it. Sieve 355 grams of gluten-free plain flour, 125 grams of icing sugar, 1 heaping tablespoon of gingerbread spices, 30 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of xanthan gum, 1 teaspoon of soda bicarbonate, and mix it. Add 25 grams of butter, 50 grams of honey, 2 eggs, and mix it into dough. It will be a little bit sticky. Let it sit in a fridge for several hours. It will last few days, so you can prepare it in advance as well. I always use parchment paper to roll the dough from both sides, as it is stickier, just to avoid adding too much flour. When it comes to gluten-free dough, I usually cut small shapes, as it is easy to transfer on baking tray. Bake for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, depending on thickness and size. Whisk 1 egg and brush it over the hot gingerbread to give it a glossy look. Christmas is like candy. It slowly melts in your mouth, sweetening every taste bud, making you wish it could last forever. And that's it. Enjoy!